How to use an industrial trash compactor. Using a modern commercial trash compactor is easy and safe once you understand the do's and don'ts. Commercial waste compactor best practices. Place commercial trash in the hopper or monitor the level in a chute-fed system. Compress the load when the bin is about 50% full. Make sure doors are completely secured and closed. Work with a compactor service provider you can trust. Global Trash Solutions partners with businesses nationwide to provide commercial waste management solutions that are green, scalable, and cost-effective. Contact us today to schedule a free consultation and see how GTS can compact your problems and enhance your bottom line, all while helping you reach your business sustainability goals.